I've been a fox hunter for many a year. I'll never stop hunting, on that have no fear. The new law has come and the bill has been passed. From all of us here they can shove it up their arse. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never some more. I will be a fox hunter forever and more. It's been proved to us all that this government don't care about people or jobs or animal welfare. Class hatred and ignorance, that's what they've shown. This attack is on field sports, we don't stand alone. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never some more. I will be a fox hunter forever